Now for the purl side of the slip stitch rows, you purl all the way across in blue, which I'm almost done with. 5 more stitches. And then again, we're going to slide all the stitches back to the other side of the needles and pick up the contrast color. And this time we're going to slip 2, purl 1, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, purl 1, all the way to the end. You might find this goes a little faster because the slip motion is purlwise and the purl motion is purlwise. So you're not flip-flopping like when you were doing the knitted slip stitches. All right, now, one way to check your work, this is supposed to look like a crisscross. So you're going to be purling with the contrast color where there was only blue before, and then slipping where you see this little purl bump that's contrast color. So just double check that. Make sure you have a nice crisscross. And then at the end of the row, I'll turn it over so you can see what I mean. So the 6 color work rows plus the 2 slip stitch rows, and I know each slip stitch row has 2 parts, that comprises the pattern. And you're going to do that whole pattern one more time before we start increasing for the thumb. And then we end with slip 2. And you can see on the front that we have our color work and then our slip stitches.